just not there. You have to hit one more delivery at least for the winning run. Smiles break out. Despondent Sri Lankan cricketers will have to do a lot of homework but to come back strongly in the future games. It's over and they get the single and they get the win. Bangladesh win by 8 wickets. Bangladesh's first T20 series win over Sri Lanka. And Liton Kumar Das becomes the first Bangladesh captain to win 2 T20 series away from home. One in West Indies in 2024 and now here at the home of Sri Lanka at the Rana Premadasa Stadium. What a massive achievement by the Bangladeshis. A comprehensive win by 8 wickets.
A clinical performance. From the word go, they meant business. After getting pumped by the Sri Lankan side up in Pallekele, fought back really well in Dambulla. And when matters the most, the series decider, they bobbed the A game. Terit Shamim, whoever wins the power play, will have a bigger say. That's exactly what Bangladesh did. Had a wonderful power play with the ball. Sri Lanka never recovered. Thanks to Dasun Shanaka got a decent score in. But the bowlers could have had an impact. The way Tanzil Hassan, Tamim batted, the way Liton Kumar Das batted as well. Finish off, Hridoy batted. Excellent.
Yes, indeed. Just the partnership there making it look things quite easy, ending up a 59-run partnership, 48 balls. But this is the man who's led from the front. He's batted well, he's kept wickets very well, and he's marshalled his troops very, very well as Liton Kumar Das. And Bangladesh finishing this tour on a high. They needed some positives in their performances, and it has come tonight.
And they started the tour well, doing so well up in Galle in the first test match, though that game ended in a draw. But certainly they ended the tour with a bang. Winning the series 2-1. A lot to ponder. Winning moments.
And he's absolutely delighted, and why not? Because he's had a huge role to play in that very, very clinical and convincing win. A very, very hearty time, very happy time for his partner also. These two have got together and made it look quite easy at the end in getting to the target. Once again, Liton Kumar Das and his band of merrymen will be going back home with a smile on their faces.
Respects